find the beavers and also power them up to reveal the results in them. So the beavers are so many. Do you think you'll be able to do all that before the petition elapses?
Well, God will help us. With God, all things are possible. And I think that we will do it because our petition is limited to about 5 local governments. And the one that has major beavers machine is Okene, Okehi, and Adaivi. And we will be able to do it. You've seen them, we've started. A journey of 1,000 kilometers will begin with a step. We will do it. And it has to be done because justice is slow, but it will get to destination.
So lastly, sir, what are you trying to prove from these beavers?
The facts in our petition.
How many beavers machines are we looking at?
Well, as at the time we look at it, there were many. So I don't have the figure of head now, but we will do it. Why will you not do it? It should be done, and it must be done. It has to be done, and we will do it.